If you've purchased a VFI3000RT Plus without battery cabinets, we will ship it to you in 2 boxes. This is to minimize the chances of damage in transit and also to make it more manageable. With the unit out of the box, detach the front panel by simply pulling it away from the edge and unclip the battery cable. There are 4 screws holding the battery retainer that you need to remove. Don't remove the screws securing the LCD. Remove the retainer. And insert the battery tray. When refitting the battery retainer, push the connector from the battery pack through the hole. And refit the 4 screws. Reclip the cable and push the 2 connectors together, making sure the red and black cables are aligned. And refit the front panel. Make sure everything is working by cold starting the unit. And that's it. Thank you for watching. You can get further information from our website www.powerinspired.com.